content creation has completely changed my life. A few years ago, if someone told me that posting videos on the internet consistently, social media, TikTok, YouTube, even Facebook, Instagram, that would change my life, I wouldn't believe them, okay? But back then, I was just like a lot of people out there watching the videos right now, scrolling and even consuming and watching other people building incredible life lessons, incredible life skills, incredible presence on social media, while I was just a spectator. Honestly, it feels like those lives were meant for them, but not for me anymore, but everything has changed the moment that I decided to hit the records and of course publish my first video on YouTube. Now, I've started content creation a year ago. If you can see my first video, I've recorded with a phone. And I've got another channel that I focus on throughout this channel. The lighting was really bad because I've started with a phone, and the camera quality was really bad afterwards. I didn't know how to talk on camera, I didn't know what to talk about, and the worst part of it almost was nobody watching, okay? But here's something that I didn't realise at the same time. Those awkward and comfortable low viewers were actually the beginning of the most important journey of my life, because content creation is not just about viewers, it's not just about followers, it's not just about even going viral. It's about finding your voice. Finding your voice is important, building your confidence at the same time. Content creation forced me to grow. Before I started content creation, I doubted myself constantly, literally constantly. I was afraid of what people would think about me, afraid of criticism out there, and afraid of failure. But every time I upload a video, I was doing this something powerful. So I was choosing courage over comfort, and slowly something inside me started changing. I became more confident, very confident in front of the camera, and even more creative editing my videos, more discipline as well, posting regularly, and I started learning new skills I never imagined that I would have learned it. It's storytelling, communication, editing, branding, marketing, a skill that don't just help you online, help you everywhere in life. And I think then the opportunities, something unexpected started happening. Opportunities begin to appear. People who started reaching out, new connections, formed, and even doors started to open that I didn't even knew where to begin at the beginning. So now content creation introduced me that people around the world is allowed me to share ideas and even that actually help other people. And in life, everything. And that's when I realized something powerful. Your content might feel small when you post it. You might have 0 views, you might have even no one to watch it. But you never know when it might impact that person that have watched your video. One video can inspire someone. One message can change someone's mindset, and even one piece of content can reach someone who truly needs it, But the biggest changing lessons was that viewers, wasn't only about viewers, it wasn't about followers, and even wasn't even about the opportunities. The biggest change was that who I became in the process. Content creation turned me into someone who takes action, someone who creates instead of just consumes, and even someone who builds instead of waiting. That mindset shift changes everything, because once you realize you create something from nothing, you realize that you can build life you want. So if you're watching this video right now and you've been thinking about starting content creation, even starting YouTube itself, even starting TikTok, your first videos won't be perfect, and it might feel awkward, and it might feel nervous at the same time, and you might feel judged by other people in the comments. People might not watch your first video, and that's okay, but every creator you admire started the same way you are. One upload, and even one video, and even one simple step, So, and that's a small step that can lead to a completely different life. So if you're about to start content creation has never been easy, but you have to put a lot of dedication and give the platform as well. It will give you confidence, purpose, and it could give you voice at the same time. And this is what happened to me. So, and most importantly, it showed me that ordinary people can create extraordinary things simply by starting. So if there is nothing in sight and you want to create, so don't ignore it, because the video that you're afraid to post it today might be the video that changes your life tomorrow, might be the video that changes other people's life tomorrow. So, and always start with one thing, okay, is process, take action, okay, and press records.